right, 2025, my year. Like everything that I'm supposed to accomplish, this is going to be the year. I don't care about. All right, so that's what you said about me. And I don't really know if 2024 was your year. So how are you so sure about 2025? If it's up to me, I don't really know because you said that last year. Okay. How about me? 2023, we said that as well. So what's the difference this time? Because 2023 was all my year, new me, new this. And from what I'm seeing, 2024 was the same. And now we're saying the same thing in 2025. So I don't really know. Let's check the rest because clearly you have a pattern. Go all the way back to 2019. Now 2019, you kind of said that was your year, but it didn't really end that well. So why should we believe you this year? Like, I'm just trying to see, like, are we still saying it's new me, new year? Because clearly 2019, I should be, I am the blueprint, and 2019 wasn't that much your year either. So what makes 2025 different from 2019 all the way up to 2024? Because I don't want to hear no more of that. We've been hearing this every year for the past every new year. So is it really new year, new me? Now all the negativity is out of the way. It doesn't matter if I didn't do well in 2024 or, well, I wouldn't say I didn't do well. Probably wasn't that much of my year as I thought. Like, if it was up to me, 2024, the amount of money when me think me that I make, yeah, wishful thinking, but that's okay. I won't say 2025 is my year. Okay, 2019, I heard you. It's been a yearly thing. We've been writing down these goals, and maybe me just unrealistic because I don't know why every time I write down them goals, I achieve close to them. So maybe that's why I'm saying aim big, so you can just hit close to it, because I'll achieve close to them, but not completely what I set out to achieve. So yes, it is 2025, and I'm not going to do the new year, new me, new this, new that. What I will do is just say, no, 2025, come, I'll take it with stride, and yes, we're going in with a plan, but anything will happen. Anything we're supposed to happen will happen, and anything we'll plan and work for, that's what we will achieve. I am no longer in the new year, new me, my year. As far as I'm concerned, that's just jinxing my years. So back to the drawing board we go, and big up 2025, and let's see what the future holds in 2025 for us. I can't wait to see it. Actually, no, I can't wait, but yeah, big up 2025. Until next time.